Hello class, let's take a look at Module 1 to see what we are going to be learning and doing in this particular module. This module has 3 sub-modules. The first sub-module is a reading assignment. You have to read a document titled Healthcare Information Standard. We are going to visit a government website to read the document. This government website is called National Center of Biotechnology Information. The most important piece of information in this document is in Table 4-1. This document gives you a general idea of where our healthcare data is coming from and what are the standards are out there to guiding the reporting effort in healthcare industry. Your job is to finish reading this particular chapter and work on your assignment 1.1. Furthermore, a supplementary reading coming from another Fundamentals of Clinical Data Science. Both readings are free to be downloaded from a website. The second reading is an entire book. In the first module, you only need to read one chapter from this particular book. Once you have completed your reading, you can go ahead to download this assignment document to work on your assignment. This and many future assignments are built in similar format. You need to download the Word document and read through the document and try to answer the question that posted in this particular document. For example, this assignment document has 5 questions. Each question has been assigned a certain weight to that particular question. Question number 5, for example, is weighted 2 points. What you need to do is answer directly in the area under the question and save the document. The answers to all these questions are supposed to be short and right to the point. You should be able to find most of the answers from the assigned reading. Once in a while, you may need to go out to the web to search for answers. Once you complete your assignment, please scroll down to the bottom of the assignment page. You should be able to find the area of upload a file. You can upload and attach your answer document to this particular assignment page. Going to Module 1.2. 1.2 is a technology assignment. You need to do some hands-on exercise to complete the assignment. Throughout this class, you will see a lot of tutorials built by the school. These tutorials have a step-by-step screenshot showing you how to complete a particular job or task. In this case, we are completing job in the database environment. Tutorial 1.1 and Tutorial 1.2 guide you through the process of setting up your account on the Oracle website, then upload the dataset to the Oracle account so you can use the Oracle account to practice for query. What you see here is a full screenshot of tutorial number 1. Other than the description, you will see things like a screenshot by screenshot as mentioned earlier. And I use my own personal account as an example to show you how to apply for an account on a website called apex.oracle.com. The full name of Apex is Application Express. Application Express is a cloud front end for Oracle database, and this is used for demonstration and practice purpose. You can, of course, recommend this platform to your future organization or employer. They can rent a space on Oracle Cloud to use this particular service. Throughout the tutorial, you will see a lot of these captions says capture this particular screen as part of your assignment. And this is how you need to be doing in your assignment. Take a screenshot and then save to a Word document. Please do raise your question if you have trouble taking screenshot from your own computer. We can provide a lot of resource on the external video tutorial to show you how to do that. The technology tutorial and the assignments are straightforward. Usually you need to only go through the tutorial step by step and complete the assignment. However, it is very important to know what you are doing when you are moving from one screenshot to another. That is how we learn from a technology environment. Similarly, after you save all the screenshots to the Word document, you have to upload the file to the assignment page to complete the assignment. Finally, in Module 1.3, we are starting to read Chapter 1 from the textbook. This textbook is a general database management book. It is not designed specifically for healthcare industry. However, the practice of data management is rather universal. Therefore, it is important to use a textbook to guide us through the core of database management. The learning method in this particular course is to read the chapter and use the complementary slides that I posted on the module learning to go through the structure of the chapter. Chapter 1 is mainly about the architecture of database management environment. And do read the chapter and complete your quiz. From taking the quiz, you can familiarize yourself with the terminology that we use in the database world. These chapter quiz will not be counted to your final grade. However, they will be the raw material for your midterm exam or final exam. Therefore, you have to take those quizzes before the midterm exam to make sure you cover the reading assignment from the textbook. Once you have completed the module, you're ready to move on to module number 2. Usually, module number 2 will be opened up on Monday, right after our current module. At the end of this module, you already have some understanding about healthcare data source. You have already a platform that you can practice database query using the Oracle Apex platform. Finally, you have read the first chapter of the textbook, so you understand what we are doing in the database environment. Happy learning. I hope everything can go smoothly for you.